Well, hi there folks. A couple of weeks ago I posted a video of me putting together this very cheap little Chinese kit, the Sakura Mini 3D foamie. Although in my case I think it's probably going to be Mini 2D because I didn't actually fit the rudder servo. But anyway, the weather finally improved a bit and it was time to have a little maiden. So here it is. It was all going okay really till I put it on high rates, but check it out, see what you think. Right, well here we are again folks. What a beautiful day. Forecast was awful, but it's going to be the best day in this week, so I thought I'd come up, and it's time for the maiden of this little foamie Sakura. So let's see how it goes. Right folks, well let's see how we get on. A nice soft landing anyway. Well, it's light. I think I better get some height. Well, that's tricky. Being thrown around a bit, even though there's not much wind. I put it on high rates. Whoa! Well, low rates wasn't quite enough, and high rates was way too much. Plus, my camera mount has just broken, so it's not really my day. We give it one more go. Whoa, it's thrown around so much. Got to keep it up here. It's being thrown around so much. Oh, I've got the measure of it now. You really need a day with no wind for this. That's half throttle and it's okay. Half throttle is okay. Above that it gets to be too much of a handful. Whew, and that wasn't a bad landing considering. So that was it, and I'd say pretty much an all-round success. Would have been better with 0 to maybe 5 miles an hour wind, but I mean, for the money, how much fun can you have for say £15 and maybe £20 worth of components? I'll list the components down in video description, and I'll link the build video, if you can call it that, at the end, but really there's not much to it. It was very good instructions, and all you need is a tube of Yoo-hoo pour. So as I say, amazing for the money, and so small you can just chuck in the car whenever you're going out. But that's all for now. If you've enjoyed this, please give it a like, and why not check out some of the other stuff in my channel, and even subscribe if you want to see more. But that's all for now anyway. I'll link the build video, if you can call it that, at the end, and also a link to a lovely conversion I did of a FX707 Albatross chuck glider, which was only £16, 1.2 metre span, lovely plane to convert, so check out the video for that too. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hopefully catch you all again soon. Bye for now.